If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice and I don't know say KOGENCY. But the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today, we have LD with Purging. Now, have I been gone that long? I've only been gone like, what, 2 days? Yeah, man, I had to get back to it, bro. I had to get back to it. I've been missing it. I've been missing the reactions myself. So I know if I'm missing it, I know you guys missing it as well, man. So I don't want to waste any time. We done our first day out. We don't have the plugged in. I know we have Purging. I don't know, from the plugged in, I didn't like all that censorship. You understand? So right now, Purging, that's really about to... I know it's going to save it for me, bro. I don't even have to ask. I know it's going to deliver. So hit that like button. Jump in the comments for no reason. Let's keep going for no reason, gang. Check it out with your gang. Everybody, gang. Our world, gang. But you don't know. And I did work on a little freestyle while I was gone still. So expect to see me start previewing that freestyle on the channel and then eventually drop it and promote it. So you don't know. Hit that like button, jump in the comments for no reason, and let's go. Shit in hell. I guess not. I guess not. I guess we can't go yet. My God, give me 1 second, Jenko people. Let's go now. There we go. Watch out, all of the movement go dead in that blood clot. Man just came straight home and went back to the trap, you know? Back to the trap. Man dreads long though. All of that.
I've raised some grave diggers and I've raised some lurkers. Them man ain't raised nothing but clowns. Down there come like the circus. Walked in with 25 fries in the bag, put it right next to the burger. You know how it go on the glide. Give it to Pee Wee, score with a damn. Trapper already said that.
Pee Wee score with a curler.
You know how it go on the glide. Give it to Pee Wee, score with a damn. Trapper already said that. 21 came home from a setback. In jail, me and N dot stretch that. On road, me and Pee Wee stretch that. Still roll to a show with a guy with a, and you know we don't tech chat. No, takes 1 sec to select that. Rise that up, then press that. Fence took GI, we hurting.
No. That sounds very chorusy. You know what I'm saying? I need to hear everything again. What you talk about? What you mean?
All of that. I've raised some grave diggers and I've raised some lurkers. Them man ain't raised nothing.
First of all, the man so proud to raise grave diggers. I raised some grave diggers and he's happy about it, dog. Like, listen to him.
I've raised some grave diggers and I've raised some lurkers. Them man ain't raised nothing but clowns. Down there come like the circus. Walked in with 25 fries in the bag, put it right next to the burger. You know how it go.
The 25 shot next to the burger. The shot. Hey, listen, man. Shh.
The circus. Walked in with 25 fries in the bag, put it right next to the burger. You know how it go on the glide. Give it to Pee Wee, score with a Trapper already said that. 21 came home from a setback. In jail, me and N dot stretch that. On road, me and Pee Wee stretch that. Still roll to a show with a guy with a, and you know we don't tech chat. No, takes 1 sec to select that. Rise that up, then press that. Fence took GI, we hurting. Fence took MA, we hurting. Fence took ST, we hurting. It was us that was outside purging. Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging. Feds took GI, we hurting. Feds took MA, we hurting. Feds took ST, we hurting. It was us that was outside purging. Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging.
Man said we got 6, they hurting. Man wanna talk on Cali buzz, but we got 6, they hurting. 6, dog, boy. Boy, Jano style. I would hate to beef these niggas, fam.
Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging. Hatchback settings, that's gang members with weapons. One press get him gone in seconds. One rev get me gone in seconds. Damn. If I get got, we're talking letters. Have you ever swung at a man and you thought that you hit cause you swung and saw some feathers? But you failed. In jail didn't write no mail. In jail was only the fam, didn't need no friend, didn't need no girl. Armed and dangerous, wild and famous. You know I still
I said didn't need no friend, didn't need no girl.
Only the fam, didn't need no friend, didn't need no girl.
Told you, bro, the sweet ones don't care about you, bro. Care about yourself.
Armed and dangerous, wild and famous. You know I still beat that 12. Came home still raising hell. 3 MSTGI as well. Feds took GI, we hurting. Feds took MA, we hurting. Feds took ST, we hurting. It was us that was outside purging. Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging. Feds took GI, we hurting. Feds took MA, we hurting. Feds took ST, we hurting. It was us that was outside purging. Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging.
Alright. I like this one, man. I like this one. Off rip, you know, without the censorship, dog, immediately the score gone up. You understand? From the plugged in. And also, dog, we get a nice hook. You understand? First to we hurting. First to we hurting. First to we hurting. We the ones that was outside Purging. You understand? So definitely I like this. Fuck the rating thing. But definitely know that I like it though. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say. This was a nice song. Go and check it out. Check out my Nutcase reaction. Check out my other reactions in the description. And let's keep going. KOGENCY on the KOGENCY channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man.
Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah.